Hello once again and welcome to BestUnder.in. Not satisfied by your smartphone cameras? Well, today we bring you the best digital cameras under Rs 10,000. Camera is your best companion when you go for trips. They can be used for day-to-day events or to capture the best moments of your everyday life. The cameras at this range generally carry around 14 megapixels to 20 megapixel resolution along with CMOS sensors and 8 to 12 times optical zoom. Generally, devices with lower pricing have trimmed technical details. This list has been made keeping in mind that most users prefer high optical zoom over digital zoom, as this provides better picture quality and less distortion. All the cameras will mostly be point and shoot, sleek and slim ones. So here's the list of best digital cameras under Rs 10,000 for you. Let's start the list with the first pick, the Canon EXUS 275HS. Priced at Rs 7,340 and known as the PowerShot ELPH 375HS, this camera is an ultra-slim compact camera that features a 20.2 megapixel high-sensitivity CMOS sensor accompanied by 12x optical zoom. Optical image stabilization has been included to help keep the blur to minimum. There's also Created Shot, which creates 5 different images with digital filters and crops along with the standard clean image. Wi-Fi is inbuilt and the camera also has NFC that allows you to remotely control the camera or download images which you've already taken with it for quick sharing to social network. Next is the Nikon Coolpix S7000 priced at Rs 9,950. This product is affordable and has promising specifications like 20 times optical zoom covering from 25 to 500 meter with optical image stabilization. With a 16 megapixel camera, 3-inch LCD screen and of course a HD video recording, this product is sure worthy of the price. Wi-Fi is also built in, which allows transferring of images to smartphone or sharing them on it very easy. You can do video recording at full HD resolution, and during video recording you can also make slow motion videos of 800 frames per second. The camera is not a good product for nighttime shooting. Autofocus is fixed enough for all everyday applications. Playback is fast enough but not instant in some cases. You can connect it to an LCD TV and transfer files from there. The camera built-in flash unit has a range of 6 meters. That's around 20 feet, which is quite good range for a tiny inflation. The device is one of the best set for your regular use, and that makes it one of the major reasons to choose it. Talking about cameras, the electronic giant Sony cannot be forgotten. Sony CyberShot WA30 is priced at Rs 7,050. In this device, you will get 20 megapixel camera and 8x zoom. It has a 2.7-inch TFT clear photo technology based display which can show videos of 1080p, but the camera has the ability only to shoot 720p videos, which is a little bit of a downfall. Now the other downfall is when you shoot a video, the lens is a little shallow, so it's easily picking up little sun glares of the lens itself. This becomes annoying when you're watching a video as it flashes up on your screen. It is a very lightweight, very easy to use with a really nice little LCD camera. The camera didn't have a charger, but the battery backup is very decent. Charging your battery has never been easier via USB. Simply connect your camera via USB to your PC's USB port or a power supply and charge your battery. Next we have the Canon PowerShot SX400IS digital camera, priced at Rs 9,950. It comes with 50 times optical zoom and 16 megapixel sensor with built-in optical image stabilization. This digital camera supports playback of full HD videos. Canon PowerShot SX400 supports red-eye reduction, white balancing, metering, continuous shots, face detection, ISO rating, macro modes and many more features. But the build quality is a little bit average. On the top of the camera, you can see the flash which you have to raise manually even in automatic mode. The 3-inch LCD monitor which has two 50,000 dots. Still, when you zoom into images, you can see quite a lot of the noise and light reduction multiplayer artifacts. It has no viewfinder and also it has no aperture priority. You cannot capture any raw format image from it. So before we unveil our top pick, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Topping our list, we have the Olympus SH25MR, an ultra slim compact camera priced at Rs 9,999. This camera has a 16 megapixel CMOS sensor. It also comes with full HD 1080p video capture, plus the complementary cutting-edge technology of Movie IS to reduce blur. The camera consists of quick response GPS and electronic compass. This feature enables the camera to download location data in under 10 seconds. Another innovation included in the camera is multi-recording and multi-framing. You can manually adjust film speed, exposure, light level, etc., as well as have timed and multi-shot settings. With Wi-Fi card compatibility and automatic wireless downloading of pictures straight to your desktop, the camera facilitates easy photo sharing. The landscape setting where you can do a 360-degree photo is also of poor quality. The on or off switch also has some issues and the knob needs to be firmed up as it changes setting by itself. However, the pros of this camera easily compensates for its cons, thus making it one of the best digital camera under the specified range. So what do you think about our list of our best digital cameras under Rs 10,000? We would be happy to listen to your opinions as well. So do comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.